Rich Tehrani with TMC. Thanks for watching us today. We're at WebRTC Expo 2013. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm speaking with Pulin Patel. He's the CEO of OpenClove. Welcome to the show.
Thanks, Rich.
So tell us a little bit about your company, please.
Yeah, OpenClove, we're about two and a half years old. We've been providing, our core business is providing communications to app developers, and whether these are web developers or iOS and Android developers, but really taking the whole gamut of the communications networks, whether it's a voice call or an audio call or a video call, and packaging it into a very simple add-on so that developers can enable their games or their whatever their apps are to have communications in them.
Now, with the advent of WebRTC changing telecommunications, what are your thoughts on what we'll see in the future?
Yeah, I think WebRTC is, I actually think it's a groundbreaking in the sense that what it has done is it has made the sort of the behemoth of real-time communications very easy for people to embed into whatever apps and whatever browser pages that they have, and that really turns around the whole aspect of communications, right? So today, if you really look at communications, it's an end-to-end app, whether it's Skype or FaceTime or just pulling out your AT&T phone and calling someone. These are all real-time communications, but they are done as the app itself. What WebRTC allows is to flip it over, saying communications becomes a feature inside any app, whether it's a Zynga poker that you're playing with 5 guys and you want to have a real-time audio-video chat while you're playing the poker game, because it makes sense to see video with poker. You know, that's the whole point of playing poker.
So you think that video and rich communications will be added to lots of different applications going forward?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, I think, see, you have to remember that today, as I said, the communication apps are, if let's say even if we count all the new ones, there are probably no more than 10 to 15 apps which do audio-video chat as applications. But at the same time, there are 2 million other apps which do require some sort of real-time communications because, two friends are playing Scrabble, or two friends are shopping on Macy's.com, right? And they want to chat about something, right? So all of these 2 million apps require communications, and enabling those apps to have this feature is a game changer, right?
So in terms of your position in the market, why would your potential customers work with you as opposed to other solutions?
Yeah, I mean, actually, we've been looking at, we're working on WebRTC for almost 2 years now, since it was really an infant. What we have done is, so WebRTC has done something very good, right? It has eliminated the need for Flash in terms of browsers being able to embed audio and video communications, but to make it really sturdy and strong for mobile devices in a constrained battery, constrained CPU and bandwidth environment. And to do a scalability of multi-party WebRTC is where our core competence is. Okay, so we've spent a lot of effort to do a lot of heavy video processing and lifting in a cloud infrastructure, which is running live on our Amazon cloud today as OVX, to make it work on a mass scale. And I would more call it industrial grade WebRTC, which works with mobile devices, all the way from iPhones to Androids, as well as on the browsers.
Now, what's next for your company?
As I said, I think we are jumping into the game of making every app developer have the ability to have real-time communications, right? Not just Skype and not just FaceTime, and not just Verizon.
Thank you so much for being here.
All right, thanks.
This was great.